lastly is not being open. Most women are not open in a relationship. Most women are not open, and they expect their man to be open to them, but they are not open to their man. It doesn't work out that way. It's when you are being open, the man will be able to trust you fully. It's when you are being open, a man will be able to love you genuinely, freely, that totally. So openness should be one thing that a woman should want to do for a man in any relationship. And with this, if you notice any of this is showcasing in your relationship life, then you have to work on them so that man, that your Prince Charming, will not work out of your life. I hope this has helped. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification button, and like, comment, and share the video. See you next time. It's your girl, the Debbie. Bye bye.